Good evening friends, welcome back once again to our channel Samarpan The Education Hub. I hope कि आप सभी अच्छे होंगे. Once again we are together in the 9th part of rapid revision session. Hello. Voice is clear? Hello. 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 Now I hope कि आप सभी अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर रहे होंगे और हम लोग चलते हैं. आज कल लास्ट क्लास में हम लोगों ने कुछ क्वेश्चन को छोड़ दिया था, है ना, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो चुके थे. सेशन बहुत लेट से शुरू हुई थी ड्यू टू सम टेक्निकल ग्लिचेस. तो we will move to the next question. The question is 10 number question of NCERT. Your question is on the screen for you people. You can see it in your book also, NCERT book. Same question is here. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meters wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60° and 30° respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of point from the poles. Okay, now let's move to the screen. क्वेश्चन में कहा जा रहा है कि दो पोल्स है जो कि किसी रोड के किनारे है ना. Two poles are there of the equal heights. Main thing is that here two poles of the same height. Let's suppose a pole and the second pole. This is MN and PQ, and distance between these poles is given 80 meter. Because the distance between this pole is the widening of the road. ये QN जो है हमारे रोड का चौड़ाई दिया हुआ है, तो इसकी वजह से क्या हो जाएगा, ये 80 मीटर हो जाएगा चौड़ाई ऑफ द रोड, दैट इज वाइडनिंग ऑफ द रोड। ठीक है, here from a point between them on the road the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively। पहला में कहा जा रहा है कि एक जो है 60 डिग्री पे है ना, अगर एक पॉइंट से एक पोल को देखा जाए तो वो 60 डिग्री का एंगल बना रहा है। लेट्स सपोज दिस पॉइंट इज आर पॉइंट आर, एंड अगर यहीं से देखा जाए तो ये वाला एंगल जो है वो 60 डिग्री बनाता है, एंड यहाँ पर जो है वो 30 डिग्री बनाता है। ठीक है, हमें कहा जा रहा है कि व्हाट इज द हाइट ऑफ द पोल एंड डिस्टेंस ऑफ क्यू आर एंड आर एन। लेट्स सपोज if qn equals to 80 meter, then qn equals to qr plus rn, therefore qr equals to qn minus rn। that is 80 meter minus rn। okay, let's suppose here this is 10 number question। let mn equals to pq r equal heights of pole। okay, let's suppose next point is also qr plus rn equals to 80 meter and qr equals to 80 minus rn। okay, now in triangle pqr angle PRQ equals to 60 degree using T ratios we have, क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास, हमें ये निकालना है और ये हमारा बेस दे रखा है तो हम लोग क्या निकाल देंगे यहाँ से 10 60, दैट इज 10 थीटा 10 60 डिग्री, दैट इज P by H, that is PQ by QR। okay, therefore value of 1060 is √3। you all know the value of 1060 is √3। okay, now √3 equals to PQ equals to QR and we know the value of QR is 80 minus Rn root 3 equals to PQ upon from first 80 माइनस Rn, यहाँ पर हम लोग लिख देंगे from first. Now it will become root 3 into 80 minus Rn equals to PQ. This is second equation. Also in third, in triangle MRN, angle MRN equals to 30 degree using T ratios. Here relation is same, that is base and height, therefore it is 10 30 degree. It will become 10 30 degree, that is MN by Rn, and 10 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. You all are knowing very well, that is 10 30 is 1 by root 3. Now what is the value of Rn? Rn is equals to what? It will become M n on cross multiplication, it will be root 3 Mn equals to Rn. This is third equation. From equation second and third, we get, if we will put the value of Rn in the second equation, then we will find root 3 into 80 minus Rn is what? Root 3 Mn, because here Rn is equal to root 3 Mn, and equals to PQ. Therefore it will become 80 root 3 minus 3 Mn equals to PQ. Just wait. Here PQ is already find out, and Mn equal to 1030, that is P by Mn by Rn, and Rn equals to here we can also write, if we want to calculate the value, हम लोग Rn का वैल्यू और क्या लिख सकते हैं? If we want to write the value of Rn equals to 80 minus QR now. Here if we put the value of Rn, it will become, using equation third, using equation third, we have √3 mn इक्वल्स टू Rn का वैल्यू कितना दे रखा है हमारे पास? तो Rn का वैल्यू हमारे पास 80 माइनस QR हो गया, ठीक है। Let's suppose QR is x, therefore QR is x, then QR will become 80 minus x, therefore Mn equals to 80 minus x by √3. Okay, now from equation 1 we have let's suppose this is fourth equation, equating equation first and fourth, we have x√3 equals to 80 minus x upon 3, and it will become x multiply 3 multiply √3 equals to 80 minus x, that is 3x, here it is in the minus sign, therefore it will come in this side in plus, therefore 80, and 4x equal to 80, therefore x equal to 80 by 4, therefore x equals to 20 मीटर। तो हम लोगों ने ये फाइंड आउट कर लिया कि x का वैल्यू जो है, यानी कि ये जो पोल है इसके बीच का जो डिस्टेंस है, तो हमने इसमें से एक को ये वाला डिस्टेंस यानी कि P Q और यहाँ पे R हो गया, ये N हो गया और ये M हो गया। ये वाला जो डिस्टेंस है वो x हमारे 20 मीटर है, तो बाकी हम लोग इसको निकाल सकते हैं। ये कितना हो जाएगा, क्योंकि हमें मालूम है सिंस Qn equals to 80 meter, therefore if QR equals to 20 meter, then Rn equals to 80 minus 20 meter, therefore it will become 60 meter। तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास निकल गया कि ये जो डिस्टेंस है, ये वाला डिस्टेंस है वो है 20 मीटर और ये डिस्टेंस है हमारा 60 मीटर। अब हमारा क्या कह रहा है, नेक्स्ट कह रहा है कि पोल का हाइट निकालें, है ना। फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द पोल। फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट हम लोग कर लेते हैं। फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट PQ इक्वल्स टू x√3 मीटर, और अभी हमने फाइंड आउट किया था कि व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x, वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 20 मीटर, देयरफॉर PQ इक्वल्स टू MN इक्वल्स टू 20√3 मीटर। So the required height of the pole is 20√3 मीटर। ओके, आपको समझ में आ गया होगा हमने क्या क्या किया, है ना। क्वेश्चन बहुत आसान था बट थोड़ा सा घुमाना पड़ा, है ना, बट आप लोग इजी वे में सॉल्व कर सकते हैं जैसे मैंने सेकेंड चांस में किया। नाउ वी शुड मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Your question is on the screen. 10 number question. A TV tower stands vertically on the bank of a canal from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining the point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. आप सब ट्राई करें एक बार। यहाँ पे कहा जा रहा है कि ए टीवी टावर स्टैंड्स वर्टिकली ऑन ए बैंक ऑफ ए कैनल। कह रहा है कि एक कैनल है, उसके किसी एक बैंक यानी कि एक किनारे पर कोई टीवी टावर है। ठीक है, लेट्स सपोज दिस इज बैंक कैनल, विड्थ ऑफ द कैनल, एंड दिस इज टीवी टावर। हियर P M and this is Q. Okay, from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. Here two in points of the bank, that is here first the bank of the river and this is the second bank of the river. Therefore opposite to the second bank of the river the angle of elevation is 60 degree. मतलब सेकेंड जो इसका बैंक रिवर दूसरा किनारे से इसका जो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन है वो 60 डिग्री बताया जा रहा है। ठीक है, आफ्टर दैट इट इज सेड दैट 20 मीटर अवे फ्रॉम द अनदर पॉइंट ऑन द लाइन ज्वाइनिंग द फुट ऑफ द टीवी टावर। मतलब यहाँ से 20 मीटर डिस्टेंस पे है ना, 20 मीटर डिस्टेंस पे द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन टू द टॉप ऑफ द टावर, मतलब इसके टावर का जो एलिवेशन एंगल है वो 30 डिग्री है। ठीक है, PQR। तो यहाँ पे हमसे पूछा जा रहा है कि व्हाट इज द हाइट ऑफ द टावर, दैट इज परपेंडिकुलर हाइट ऑफ द टावर, एंड द विड्थ ऑफ द कैनल, मीन्स हमारा QM निकालना है, पहला QM है ना, एंड सेकेंड वन इज PM, and these two values are to be calculated by us। ठीक है, सॉल्व करते हैं हम लोग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 ऑफ NCERT। इन ट्रायंगल, आप लोग इसे समझ पा रहे होंगे, टीवी का हाइट है ये, PM इज द हाइट ऑफ टीवी। तो आप लोग लिख सकते हैं उसे गिवन में देके, है ना। हम डायरेक्ट सॉल्व करते हैं बिकॉज टाइम इज वेरी लेस एंड वी आर नीड टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन एज फास्ट एज वी कैन डू। ओके ओके, इन ट्रायंगल PMQ angle PQM equal to 60 degree, using T ratios we have 1060 लगा देंगे यहाँ पे, क्योंकि इसको और इसको फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमारे पास क्या होना चाहिए, इट विल बिकम 1060 because 10 is what, perpendicular height upon base। okay, 10 means what, perpendicular height upon base, that is P by B। okay, therefore it will become 1060 degree, that is PM upon QN। and the value of 1060 is root 3. So here root 3 equals to Pm upon Qn. Therefore Pm by cross multiplication, Pm equals to Qn root 3, and this is our first equation. Okay. Similarly in triangle, in the whole triangle, in the large triangle, similarly in triangle PRM, PRM angle PRM equals to 30 degree. Therefore using T ratios, T ratio, we will again apply the same, that is 10 30 degree. Therefore 10 30 degree equals to what? 10 30 is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, and this will be equal to Pm upon Rm, and Rn is what? Rm is what? Rm is Rq plus Qm. Okay. Now we will put the value of Rm. It will become 1 by root 3 upon Pm upon RQ. RQ what? 20 meter plus Qm. Here value of Pm is Pm. If we will put the value of Pm, it will become Qn. Qm, it's not Qn, it's Qm. Okay. From this is second equation. From equation 1 and 2 we get the 1 by root 3 upon Qm root 3 upon 20 meter plus Qm. On cross multiplication we will get 20 meter plus Qm equals to Qm root 3 into root 3. It will become Qm plus 20 meter equals to 3 Qm, or 20 meter equals to 3 Qm minus Qm. This is 2 Qm equals to 20 meter, and Qm equals to 20 meter upon 2, that is 10 meter. 10 meter. So here we have find out the value of Qm. the height of the width of the canal is 10 meter. Here QM is 10 meter. Okay, now putting the value of QM in equation. First, again, putting the value of QM in equation. First we get PM equals to QM root 3, and QM is what? 10 meter. Therefore it will become 10 root 3 meter. Okay, so the required height of TV tower is 10 root 3 meter, and width of canal is 10 meter. Okay, so you can see once again. Now we should move to the next question. From the top of a 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a canal tower is 60, and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the, just wait, it is not canal, it is cable. Okay, cable tower, it's not canal, it is cable tower. It's not canal, cable tower. Now it's find. Now see this. From the top of a 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree, and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. Okay, this is also very easy question. Let's move to the it. Here it is telling that from the top of 7 meter high building, let's suppose 7 meter high building is, this is 7 meter high building AB. Okay, and the angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 60 degree. let's suppose PM is the height of the tower. PM is the height of the tower. It is said that 7 मीटर हाइट से क्या है, इस टावर का जो एलिवेशन ऑफ एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन है 60 डिग्री बताया जा रहा है. दिस इज 60 डिग्री. And at the same point the angle of depression to the foot of the tower, this is the foot of the tower, this P point showing the foot of the tower. Okay, therefore from the same point the angle of depression to the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Okay, therefore it will become, sorry, this is 30 degree. Then it is asking that what is the height of the tower. Okay, in this, if we find that AP is equal parallel to BC, why it is so? Because this is a parallel horizontal plane, and a line parallel to the horizontal, a line is perpendicular, a line parallel to the horizontal plane is also parallel. Okay, therefore AP equals to BC and AB equals to PC. Why it is so? Because this is two parallel lines. Okay, this is two parallel lines. Okay, therefore this is perpendicular lines, and if these are two perpendicular lines, then these are also parallel lines. Okay, therefore AP equal to BC, and AB equal to PC, that is equal to 7 meter. Okay, now in triangle, here this angle will also 30 degree. Therefore just because of co-interior angle, because these two lines are BC and AP are equal and parallel, therefore due to alternate interior angle this will also 30 degree. Now in triangle, let PM is the let PM is the height of the cable tower, and AB equal to 7 meter, height of the building. Now in triangle ABP angle APB equals to 30 degree. Using T ratios, here क्या हो जाएगा, ये this is base and this is height. Okay, therefore 10 30 degree, because 10 is p by b, that is AB upon AP, and this is equal to 1 by root 3, because 10 30 is always 1 by root 3. Okay, now by cross multiplication, on cross multiplication we will get AP equals to AB root 3. This is equation first. Here AP equals to AB root 3, and we know that AP is equal to also BC. Therefore we can write here AP equals to BC equals to AB root 3, and this will our first equation. Okay, similarly in triangle BMC angle MBC equals to 60 degree, using T ratios we have what we get. This is base and this is height, therefore it will become 10 60, because 10 is p by b, 10 60 degree, that is p by b. P is what? P is MC and B is BC. Okay, MC and BC, that is perpendicular height and base. 10 60 is what? Root 3. Therefore MC equals to 3 root BC. Now we can put the value of AB. AB is 7 centimeter. This is equation second. From equation first and second, from equation first and second, we get MC equals to root 3, and putting the value of BC here. What is BC? BC is AB root 3, and we know that the value of AB is what? 3 into 7 root 3 meter. Therefore it will become what? MC is 7 into 3, that is 21 meter. Here MC is 21 meter. Okay, MC is 21 meter. Now we know that the height of the tower equals to what? Here height of the tower is equals to PM, and PM is what? PM is equal to PC plus MC. Here PC equals to 7 meter and plus MC equals to 21 meter. Therefore height of the tower is 21 meter. So the we can write, so the required height of the cable tower is 28 meter, and this is the answer of question number 12 of NCERT. Now you can see it once again. Next question, we will move to the next question because we have solved the very few question in today's class, so we will move to the next question. बहुत सारे बच्चे बहुत सारे चैप्टर्स रिवाइज कर चुके होंगे और आप लोग, है ना, आप लोग भी सॉल्व कर रहे होंगे. Here given that as observed from the top of a 75 meter sorry for that, here same question has been repeated 2 times, इसके लिए मैं क्षमा चाहूंगा आप लोगों से. Here हाँ, ये है तुम्हारा आपका 13 नंबर क्वेश्चन. As observed from the top of a 75 meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Now you can see the question. अब अगर आपके पास NCERT है तो आप वहां भी देख सकते हैं. चलते हैं हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं. As observed from its top of a 75 meter high lighthouse from the sea level. कहा जा रहा है कि एक लाइट हाउस है, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा समुद्र के किनारे, है ना. एक लाइट हाउस है जो लेट्स सपोज PM is the height of the lighthouse and this is 75 meter height. Okay, next one is from the sea level the angles of depression of two ships. यहाँ पर कहा जा रहा है कि जो दो, है ना, इसके टॉप से एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन जो है ना, सी लेवल, लेट सपोज दिस इज द सी लेवल, दिस इज द सी लेवल एंड इट इज सेड दैट डिप्रेशन ऑफ टू शिप्स आर 30 डिग्री एंड 45 डिग्री. ओके, 45 डिग्री अगर है तो हमें मालूम है कि ये कहाँ पे होगा, बहुत क्लोज होगा, let's suppose here it is one first C is here, PQ, first is at Q point, and the second ship is at the R point. Then this will be 45 degree, and another will be 30 degree. Okay, therefore if one ship is exactly behind the other one on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Here we are need to find the distances between the two ships, that is distance of RQ. Okay, this is also very easy question, because here it is given 10. If we apply on this triangle, in this triangle, it will become the network has once again gone, therefore I have to disconnect the session. We will meet again tomorrow. Till then, bye bye, good night, and see you again tomorrow at 8:45 PM. हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और ऐसे ही वीडियो के लिए बने रहें। कल हम लोग in the next session we will discuss the previous year question of R.S. Aggarwal and some more difficult questions which have the probability to come in the examination. Okay, so just join us at 8:45 PM. So guys, we should disconnect the session. We will meet soon tomorrow at 8:45 PM. Till then, हमारे चैनल पर बने रहे, समर्पण द एजुकेशन हब। चैनल का नाम भूले नहीं, और हमारे चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, और अपने दोस्तों को, अपने रिलेटिव्स को शेयर करें, ताकि वो लोग भी इस चैनल पर आके पढ़ाई कर सकें, है ना। बाकी क्लास 6, 7, 8 और 9 का once again we will start at in the January month. न्यू सेशन के लिए हम लोग क्लास स्टार्ट करेंगे। बाकी जो रिमेनिंग चैप्टर है उसका हम लोग मंडे से क्लास स्टार्ट करेंगे। ओके, सो टेक केयर, अपना ख्याल रखें और पढ़ते रहें। गुड नाइट, जय हिंद एंड राधे राधे फ्रेंड्स।